dagan.
Ba't naman siya eh? Ada pigikik yo, lukatan niyo ah. Lukatan niyo, ati lang te. Atoy.
Sana all. Sana all.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hindi kayo, sana wala po.
Sana all.
Happy birthday! Tingnan din. Sige, magsalit. Kuya! Taka lang.
Sana all. Sana all.
Tingnan ni ate. Madamdaman ko. Taka lang. At ang chocolate mo. Di ba? Ate, cake mo. At ang letter mo, the cake yan. Ito yung ate, Happy birthday. Happy 63rd, happy birthday. Ate, bago lahat. Eto, pizza! Eto ang yan. Love. Sabi niya, I love you. Taka lang ang picturean kayo.
Taka lang.
Taka lang, ah. Taka lang. Teka, taka lang, ah. Ako man nervyosa. Nakatutan yung gas-gas ko. Iwan. Masama ko kay Tiante, ah. Iwan mo kapinyata, tapos yung ka.
Always, always and forever. Always, always and forever. Sitting here and thinking back to a time when I was young. My memories are clear as day. Listen to the dishes clink, you were downstairs, you would sing songs of praise. And all the times I laughed with you, and all the times that you stayed true to us. Now we'll say, said I thank you, will always thank you, more than you would know that I could ever show. And I love you, I'll always love you. There's nothing I will do to say these words to you, that you're beautiful forever. Always,
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Pero bagong lahat. Ang wish kay Tante.
more than you
Pero bagong lahat, meron inahandang letter si ate. Babasahin ni Kuya. Para kay mothers. Saka lang ate, abay na ni Kuya. O siyempre. Basta ang Kuya.
Happy 63 birthday, Nanay. Sana napasaya kita sa simpleng surprise ako sa'yo. I always thank God na ikaw ang nanay. I always pray na good health ka palagi at lagi kang gabayan ni God sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Wish ko na sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday. Miss na kita. I love you so much, Nanay. God bless. Take care. Love and care. Maricel.
Yay! Happy birthday, Nanay! Anya nga iti, message mo ka ni Ate Sel.
Ay, salamat. Mami nga, ito na, salamat.
Ayaw niya pa.
Sapay lang akong matag sa lunat niya kayo.
Wow! Oh, thank you.
Ang makapanti-kubi. Malahay sakit.
Oh, yun. Oh, kasi yun. Okay, again, mother. Oh, masaya kayo? Oh, masaya! Oh, in behalf of Edmund Flowers of Party, thank you, Ate Shell, sa pagpili at pagtiwala sa amin na kami po maghatid ng sorpresa na